Good morning. Today is Monday, January 12th, and we are looking at the E-Mini S&P 500 futures market. Fortunately, I got in a little late today. Had to take my daughter to school, and it snowed about 5 or 6 inches, and the roads were pretty bad this morning, so I'm in a little late. I see that the market's been hit. I just wish I had been here because this presented a great selling opportunity right out of the gate today. Opened up a little higher, right into a nice resistance area. Market sold off. That would have been a great trade, but all right, I missed that trade. But I believe that the market's severely overdone right here, and I think we're due for a bounce. So I'm going to take a rather small position. I'm going to look to buy 5 right here, looking for the market to revert back here to, let's just buy it right in here.
Order filled.
All right, so I am long right here. And I'll look to add to this position if we can get an appropriate move to the upside to help confirm that we are in fact moving higher. So let's just go ahead and measure the Fibonacci retracements, just some simple Fibonacci retracement measurements from the high of the day, okay, to the low of the day. And I believe we should rally, I would say 224 3/4 right in here. Should rally up a little bit here. How far? Let's see. I am going to pause this video and I'll be back with you shortly. Alright, I am back. Market's starting to move up just a little bit here, but you know, since this is a counter trend move, alright, I'm going to be real tight on this. So I'm going to place my stop below these two lows, below 218 3/4 to 217 3/4. So that's where my sell stop will be, 217, okay, and 3/4, right there. So if the market comes down and takes out these two lows by 50 cents, breaking down through the round number of 218, then I'll be out of this trade. All right. So I'm going to pause it again, and let's see how far we can run. I am looking for a test minimum. First level would be about 223 1/4, right up in here. So let me put on horizontal line there. And we'll put another one up right slightly below the 325 or 2025, 2004 3/4, right up in here. I'm expecting the market to run up into here somewhere, okay? I'll be back. Alright, so market was not able to rally like I thought. We went to 221 1/2. We've come down here to 218 even. We haven't quite broken through the round number, but it looks like we're getting stopped out. There we go, got stopped out there. So, lost 437 on this particular trade. No big deal. We'll get this back probably sometime later today. I'm going to pause the video. Alright, I am back and I am going to enter this market again. This market is poised to move higher.
Order filled.
And what I'll do is if the market comes down a bit more, I'm going to buy more because I am looking for this market to come up minimum to 2025 1/2, right up in here. Okay, so again, I'm not going to risk much. I'm going to risk very little, just like the last trade. Got to give it a try here, but again, if we come down a little bit more, I will buy it again. Alright, I am back. It's been quite a while, but the market is moving higher like I thought. That's why I entered again. And so I am looking to take profits. This really was where my objective was, right? For the market to rally up to the 38.2% retracement from today's high to low. And we're up through that right now at 2025 1/2. So we did exactly that. It's just I was stopped out a little prematurely here. That's why I hopped right back in. Waited this out, and here we are right now. So we're in 5. Let's go ahead and take off 3 of those right now at the market. Alright, selling 3 right there. Nice. So look at that. Remember, I was down 400 and change. And now I am up a little bit. Not a lot, but up a little bit. Look at this market rally. Here we go. So I've got 2 contracts left. Alright, so look at this right here. So we opened in this trade 525. We closed out 162, so we've made 162.50. Not bad, considering we were down what, $460 I think prior to putting on this other second position. So again, when you're wrong, you can't get upset and be gun shy, right? You've got to you've got to come back. If your convictions are there and you still believe that the market's going to do what you originally thought it would do, then you need to get back in, and that's exactly what I did. So I think this is a good lesson on just, trying to keep those emotions detached from your trading, because most people, taking this loss, I had 5 contracts, right? 5 contracts, and I lost about a point or so. So, okay, I was down 460-ish dollars, I believe, or 425, I don't recall. So I got right back in. So now what I'm going to do with the remaining 2 contracts is I'm going to be pretty tight here. I'm going to go below the current 3-minute bar that it's on. Okay, so I'm going to go. My sell stop will be at 2026 and 3/4. Okay, 2026 and 3/4 right there. I'm right there, right below this bar, trailing it up. So if this market continues to run, great. If not, no big deal. So I'm going to lock in. We'll see. 2026. I'm going to pause this video now. All right, I am back, and the market's traded all the way up to 2029 right now, and market's kind of coming down. So we're at 2026 and 3/4 right now, trailing up the stop on the remaining 2 contracts. So let's just see what happens. All right, so we were taken out of that position. All right, we were taken out of that position. We rode that up, and if you take a look here, we came back from a deficit of about 430, 440, and we closed out so far, and it's a little after 11 o'clock. We made $637, $637.50. So not a bad day. Again, I think it's a good lesson that we took a small loss here, and then we got back in because my conviction was that the market was moving higher into a resistance area right in here. And so it was a good trade. So hopefully you can learn from it. Have a great day. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.